Hello dear students, today we are going to learn the next article of the chapter wave motion, formation of bits. Formation of bits. We are learn what is the definition for bits. What is meant by bits? The periodic variation in the intensity of sound, that is loudness, due to superposition of waves is called as bits. The periodic variation in the intensity of sound due to superposition of two waves is called as bits. Definition for bits. Definition for bits. Periodic variation means when bits are formed, we are observed a loud sound at one instant, and then minimum sound, minimum intensity, that is loudness, minimum loudness sound we are observed, and this maximum loudness and minimum intensity of sound are produces alternatively. The maximum intensity of sound is called as waxing. Waxing. The maximum intensity of sound due to superposition of two waves is called as waxing, and minimum intensity of sound due to superposition of two waves are called wannings. Waxing and wannings are produces alternatively, means at one instant maximum intensity of sound we are heard, then next minimum intensity of sound we are heard, means waxings and wannings are produces alternatively due to superposition of two waves. Here the amplitude of the waves should be equal or nearly equal, and there is the slightly difference in frequencies. The difference in frequencies is nearly less than 10 hertz. These are the conditions for formation of bits. Then we are learn frequency of bits. Frequency of bits. The number of times sound waxes or vanishes in 1 second. The number of times sound waxes or vanishes in 1 second is called as frequency of bits. And next is period of bits. Period of bits. Period of bits. The time interval between two successive waxings or wannings is called as period of bits. The time interval between two successive waxings or wannings is called as period of bits. The condition is the two waves having slightly different in frequencies, and second condition is the amplitude of the two waves should be nearly equal or nearly equal. These are the conditions for formation of bits. Then we are going to learn analytical treatment for frequency of bits. Analytical treatment for bit frequency. Consider we are taking first wave y1 is equal to a sine 2 pi n1 into t, and y2 is equal to a sine 2 pi n2 into t, where n1 and n2 are the frequencies of two sound waves. Then y is equal to y1 plus y2, vector y1, vector y is equal to vector y1 plus y2. From this equation we get y is equal to a sine 2 pi n1 into t plus a sine 2 pi n2 into t. By using sign mathematical identity, by using sin c plus sin d mathematical identity, 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. By using this mathematical identity in this equation, can write y is equal to 2a, 2 into a, this a sine 2 pi is taken common, n1 plus n2 upon 2 into t into cos 2 pi is taken common, n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t. We are taking cos first, it is rearranging 2a cos 2 pi, this factor is taken firstly, n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t into sine 2 pi n1 minus n2 upon 2, n1 plus this n1 plus n2 upon 2. By substituting r is equal to is nothing but resultant amplitude, r is equal to 2a cos this factor 2a cos 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t into putting and n is equal to n1 plus n2 upon 2. Then this equation becomes, write down this, then write down this, then this equation becomes y is equal to, this equation becomes y is equal to, this equation becomes y is equal to, this r is resultant amplitude r into sine 2 pi n into t, 2 pi n into t, where r is the resultant amplitude and n is equal to n1 plus n2. This is the resultant frequency. Again, this equation is the equation of SHM. This is the equation for SHM. Then we are going to learn condition for waxing. Conditions for waxing. Condition for waxing. Condition for waxing. Waxing means maximum intensity of sound. When this we are putting resultant amplitude, maximum intensity sound means R is maximum, resultant amplitude R is become maximum. R is become maximum and the value of R is equal to 2A plus minus 2A. This value is become, maximum value is become plus minus 2A. Therefore, R is equal to 2A cos 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to plus minus 2A. These two get cancelled. This A, again this A get cancelled. These two get cancelled. Remaining is cos pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to plus minus 1. We are taking the resultant amplitude R is equal to, here we R is equal to 2A cos 2 pi n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t. This is the resultant amplitude R. Means the cos of pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to plus minus 1 means which degrees the cos of angle, the value of cos of angle is become plus or minus 1. That is pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to, what is the value of cos 0 is 1, cos pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi up to dash. The value of cos is become plus or minus 1. Means the time therefore the time t for which waxings are produced, means we are put pi into n1 minus n2 upon pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 is equal to t is equal to 0. Then we are put pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2, this value is become put pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Then we get t is equal to, t means the time for which the maximum intensity of sound produced. That is, if this value is, it is equal to become 0, then t is become, we get 0. Then pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 is put pi, then we get 1 upon n1 minus n2. n1 minus n2, we are put 2 pi, we get 1 upon 2 upon 2 pi, pi get cancelled, 2 upon remaining is n1 minus n2. In this way we get 3 upon n1 minus n2 up to dash. Therefore, we are obtain period of waxing. Period of waxing. Period of waxing. Waxing means maximum intensity of sound, in which times we are get. Period of waxing means the time interval between two successive waxing is called as the time interval between two successive waxings is called as period of beats. Means we are taking the difference between any two successive two. If you are given the difference between these two, 3 upon n1 minus n2 minus 2 upon n1 minus n2, we get period of beats, that is t is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2. And this is the equation for period of beats. Then we are obtain frequency of beats. Frequency of beats is equal to 1 upon t, and it is equal to, we get 1 upon t is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2. What is the value of t? T is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2. We are put here, then we get n1 minus n2. And this is the frequency of beat. Frequency of beats. Frequency of beats, we get n1 minus n2. Frequency of waxing. Frequency of waxing, that is waxing. Frequency of waxing beats, that is, we are also say that it is frequency of waxing. It is equal to n1 minus n2. Write down this. Then we learn, next we are learn the condition for warnings. Write down this. Condition for warnings. Condition for warnings. Warning means minimum intensity sound when produced when R is minimum, become minimum, that is it equal to become 0. That is R is equal to, what is the value of R? R is equal to resultant amplitude, we are putting value 2A cos 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to 0. This 2 is taken here, means 0 upon this 2 to get cancelled, and this 2 is brought RHS side, then we get cos pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to 0 upon 2a, that is equal to 0. That is cos of angle this is become 0. Which degrees is the value of cos is 0, pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to the which values cos of, the value of cos is 0, that is cos pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 7 pi by 2 up to dash odd multiple of pi by 2. If we are put, therefore t is equal to the time for which Wannings is produced. If we are put n1 minus n2 upon 2 pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 is brought here, it is equal to pi by 2, then we get t is equal to 1 pi get cancel 1 upon 2 into n1 minus n2. We are put this value pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to get 1 upon 2 into n1 minus n2. Then this value pi into n1 minus n2 upon 2 is equal to put 3 pi by 2, then t is equal to we get 3 upon 2 into n1 minus n2, then it is we get 5 upon 2 into n1 minus n2 up to dash. Then we obtain period of bits, period of waxing, period of Wannings, period of Wanning is equal to the time interval between two successive Wanning is called period. Means we are taking the difference between any two successive two, then we get period of Wannings t is equal to we get 1 upon n1 minus n2. We are taking any difference between any two, 5 upon 2 into n1 minus n2 minus 3 upon 2 into n1 minus n2, then we get 1 upon n1 minus n2. Then this is the period of Wanning. Then frequency of Wanning, frequency of Wannings is equal to we get 1 upon t, and it is equal to again we get n1 minus n2. Means frequency of, this is the frequency of Wanning is equal to n1 minus n2, means difference of frequencies. From the conditions for waxing and Wannings, we are say that the frequency of waxing is equal to frequency of Wannings, and it is nothing but frequency of bits, or it is frequency of bits. Means we are obtain two important relations. Period of bits is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2, and frequency of bits is equal to n1 minus n2. These are the means. Write down this. Please note down.